So let's start recording today's day 10. So the first question of our physics, we have two charges, Q and minus Q, and they have a force like böyle gitar çalan güç, gitarlayan güç. So and we have this F, and the distance between two charges is R. So if we have the R, which is inversely in square proportionalized to F, so if it halves, it increases in 4 times. So the correct answer is E. Second question say that we have uh, something like a metal and two springs with linked bodies at the end, and MA and MB. MB is twice as small as B, so if we let them go, its acceleration will or the double times respect to this. So the third question say that we have a body, we have to lift this. To lift this, we have to use uh, a, a word force which is opposite to this and higher than this. So F has to be bigger than mg. So the correct answer is B. We have a skater, no friction. He is throwing a ball with 2 kilograms with this speed. So we know that according to the impulse conversation or conservation, so mv equals to nv, this formula of impulse. So its the skater's weight is 50 newton. So 50 kilogram multiplied by the opposite direction of its speed, it should be equal to the impulse of this. 2 multiplied by 10 meters squared. So you know that if this man with this mass serves this ball with this mass in this, he gets this speed to the opposite direction. So the correct answer is B. So in fifth question, we have body who is going like this, is in constant speed, and the acceleration is 0. So in this case, the frictional force equals to the force which he is going. So if it's F, it should be equal to this. So it's 200 newtons. So frictional force is also 200 newtons. So the correct answer is C. Sixth question said that we have elastic collision, so two bodies, 2 kilogram centimeters second, and this side, so 4 kilogram 4 meters in this side. They collided, and they are moving, like this, like moving, colliding, moving like this. Elastic collision. So looking directions is positive, negative, negative, positive. So uh, this impulse has to be equal to this impulse. So this, so multiplying this minus multiplying this should be equal the product of this minus the product of this, because it has the opposite direction. So we have to find the speed of this 4 kilogram ball. So x equals to 1. This means the speed is 1 meter divided by a second. The correct answer is C. Seventh question is third level of Newton. We have a man or a boy who's standing on a table and making and like acting some force to this table. So the magnitude the of the force which is this man acting to the table should be equal, according to the third law of Newton's, should be equal to the magnitude of force that table acts to the man. So F equals to minus F. F equals to minus F. So if it's weight 200 Newton, so the table is also like pushing in 200 Newton. So the correct answer is C. We have a baseball with this mass. He's driven with this speed. So the impulse is this, and it was beaten by this speed. So he is going positive direction as positive direction and moving back. So that's minus. So the average you found like this: P2 minus P1, 2.5 kilogram multiplied meter divided by seconds. Newton is like mg kilogram multiplied meter divided by second square. If we multiply to a second, we are getting the speed instead of acceleration. Ninth question says that we have two negative charges and they are not attracting. They are quite shaped. So we have formula in how in which magnitude of force it bir-biridan qochyapti. So just putting numbers using this formula and getting 270 newtons. The correct answer is D. So, 10th question is about hot water and ice. I don't know exactly, but I hope we'll understand by video. And 11th question, we have momentum, like like an impulse or momentum. So mass multiplied by by velocity. The mass is 2 kilogram. We have no speed, no acceleration, but we have time. So we have to find the force which was acting. So impulse or momentum is like this. If we divide by 2 kilogram, we are getting that its speed this. But this speed is gained in this time. So A equals to V minus V0 divided by T. We have mean V minus V0 is equals to 0 because it was initially at rest. So divided by 0.8 and equals to 20 divided by 8. So this is acceleration. We have mass and with acceleration we can find the force which was acting, which was acting. So 2 multiplied to 20 divided by 8 equals to 5 because 20 divided by 4 is 5 newtons. So the correct answer is A. 12th question said that we have this gravitational force between two bodies with this formula. Says if we increase the first mass in 2 times and second mass triple times, what will happen? So it's right proportionalized with those masses, with these masses. So if it increases in 6 times, the force will increase in 6 times. So the correct answer is E. And there is no explanation because there were just figures, so there are long explanation, but I hope they all done correctly. That's it.